Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be covering a diary with the beautiful printed flamingos. So let's get started. Let's check out the material required. First of all, you will be needing a diary. Any diary can work. Fabric glue, a pair of scissors, and a potato, and some fabric colors. You can take any color of your choice. Then brushes and some sketch pens to make mark on the potato. First of all, cut the potato into 2 pieces and draw flamingo print on it. I am keeping the print on screen so that you can draw it easily. Similarly, take another potato and give it a shape of leaf. Now, with the help of knife, we will cut it, showing you the same. Please be careful while doing this work. Similarly, cutting the shape of leaf. Now, take a fabric, keep the diary over it and cover it properly. If you are not having fabric glue, then you can use Fevicol as well. So let's get started. Apply the paint over the potato cuts and keep it over the diary. Use pressure to push it. Make more of same kind. You can also use foam. Pour some paint over the foam and dab it on the fabric. Use some pressure to make it last longer. Showing you the same. Give a finishing touch to it. Similarly, do the same for the second one. Give a finishing touch to it. With the help of thin brush, make legs of the flamingos, drawing more leaves. Now, with the help of white color, draw eyes of the flamingos. Now we will be taking gold and yellow colors to give a finishing touch to the leaves. And our flamingo printed diary is ready. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down the ideas on which you want to see the further videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.